Good morning, class 5 children. How are you? Today I am welcoming you in my online class for subject science, class 5th. And today's topic is reproduction in plants. Today we will discuss about reproduction in plants. So before discussing about reproduction in plants, let me remind you one thing. Take these online classes very seriously because it is very vital for your education process. Till then we have the normal days. Okay children, before starting reproduction in plants, we should know about plants. Second topic, we should know about reproduction. Then as a whole we'll discuss about reproduction in plants. Okay children, let me tell you what are plants. What are plants? Can anyone say what are plants? Plant is also a living body like us. They are totally 100% living thing. The only difference between plant and human being is that we human being can move here and there and can express our feelings. But these plants, they cannot express their feeling and they cannot move from here and there, but still then they are plants because they show several symbols of living things, and hence they are maximum symbols of being a living thing, and they have been categorized as a living things. So plants, whatever trees that are grown around us, we see greeneries, they come under plants. There are various types of plant, small plant, tall plant, medium plant. So these are plants. Now we'll talk about reproduction. What do you mean by reproduction? Re means once again production. Production means to produce ourselves. Reproduction means suppose that a person produces something that is quite similar to him in behavior, in action. That is called reproduction. So today we will talk about the topic reproduction in plants. Before talking about reproduction in plants, let us discuss the importance of plant. We are reading this chapter with a what? एक मकसद से हम लोग इस चैप्टर को पढ़ रहे हैं. मकसद क्या है? प्लांट. क्यों हम पढ़ रहे हैं? क्योंकि बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट, बिकॉज दिस प्लांट्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन अ various life. Very important. If there is no plant, there is no fresh oxygen, and if there is no fresh oxygen, then we human beings cannot survive. Why we cannot survive? Because the gas that we are inhaling, that is oxygen. That is needed for our continuous process, inhaling and exhaling. Even though we exhale carbon dioxide, but we inhale oxygen. That oxygen mainly we get from the plants. Is that clear? So now children, we'll talk about some other importance of plants. And the other importance of plants are that plants, even though if they produce us the most important thing, that is called oxygen, apart from that also they are giving us various things, such as they provide us with food, shelter, clothes and etc. I have just told about you the main things, but apart from these also plants they provide us. Now we'll talk about reproduction in plants. So beta, we human beings, animals, they reproduce by themselves. So if plant is also a living being, so they should have some process by which they can reproduce by themselves. So there are various processes how plants can reproduce by themselves. Such as plants, suppose that we are eating a mango. We are eating a mango. Mango comes from mango tree. And when we eat the mango and when we throw its seed in the mud or we bury in the mud, then we see a sapling. That means a mango plant has reproduced itself. We can reproduce plants by using spores also. We can reproduce plants by using buds also. There are various methods of reproduction in plants. We will study about them one by one. And there are various processes in that reproduction also. What are the process? Like, first of all, the plant seed get germinated. After that, what happens? Seedling process. After that, a small plant. After that, it gets a huge shape of tree or plant. So these are the various methods, and for these various methods, various types of plants have various types of reproduction process. So we will talk about them slowly. For today, only this much. Please go through this chapter, and maybe I think every one of you have purchased your book. Till then, have a nice day. Jai Hind. Bye.